While the whole automotive industry is obsessed with electrification and downsizing, GM plays by its own rules, and we couldn't be happier about that. Because who would have thought that someone would invest so much money into the development of new V8 engines at the time many believed they were gone? The outcome is quite obvious. The all-new V8 engine for the 2026 GMC Sierra turns GMC haters into cheerleaders. Nothing matters more than V8. This is the news that changes everything. When most manufacturers are racing towards smaller, more complex powertrains, General Motors just announced an earth-shaking $888 million investment in what could be the last great V8 engine ever built. The 6th-generation small block represents the single largest investment GM has ever made in an engine facility, and that tells you everything about their confidence in V8 technology. The Tonawanda propulsion plant in Buffalo, New York is being completely transformed with cutting-edge manufacturing equipment designed specifically for this revolutionary power plant. But the investment doesn't stop there. GM has committed an additional $579 million to the Flint engine operations in Michigan, plus $12 million to Rochester operations for intake manifolds and fuel rails, and $47 million to Defiance operations in Ohio for block castings. We're looking at well over $1 billion dedicated to V8 supremacy. What makes this investment so significant? While competitors like Ford struggle with unreliable turbocharged engines that fail under heavy loads, and Ram deals with complexity issues in their mild hybrid systems, GM is perfecting the formula that truck buyers actually want: pure, reliable V8 power with modern efficiency. The new 6th-generation small block will rewrite the rules of what's possible. Current Sierra models equipped with the 5.3-liter V8 generate 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, while the 6.2-liter produces 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet. The new generation promises to significantly exceed these numbers while achieving fuel economy improvements that seemed impossible just 5 years ago. Here's where the engineering gets fascinating. GM's team developed revolutionary combustion and thermal management innovations that extract maximum energy from every drop of fuel without the complexity of turbocharging or hybridization. The new engines will burn fuel more completely, reduce emissions substantially, and deliver power across the entire RPM range, something turbocharged engines consistently fail to achieve. Unlike forced induction engines that provide peak power only in narrow bands, the new V8 will offer consistent torque delivery from idle to redline. This means superior low-end grunt for heavy towing, stronger mid-range acceleration for highway passing, and more top-end power for sustained high-speed driving. It's the difference between engineered compromise and engineered excellence. The thermal efficiency improvements represent breakthrough technology. Advanced combustion chamber designs work with precision fuel injection timing to ensure complete fuel burn without excess air. The result is power that doesn't sacrifice efficiency, a combination that turbocharged engines have never successfully achieved. Early testing suggests fuel economy improvements of up to 6% compared to current V8 engines. Production begins next year, perfectly timed for the next generation Sierra launch. This isn't coincidental timing. GM is positioning the Sierra to completely dominate the full-size truck market with the most advanced, naturally aspirated V8 ever created. While competitors deal with warranty claims on complex turbo systems and hybrid failures, Sierra owners will enjoy the proven reliability of V8 simplicity, enhanced with 21st-century technology. CEO Mary Barra confirmed GM's commitment to remaining responsive to customer demands, and truck buyers have made their preferences crystal clear. They want V8 power they can depend on. This massive investment ensures the Sierra will satisfy that demand with technology that previous generations could never imagine. New generation, new look. The exterior transformation signals a complete departure from conservative truck design. The 2026 Sierra adopts a bold new visual language that combines aggressive functionality with sophisticated styling cues borrowed from GMC's premium SUV lineup. The front fascia showcases a more cohesive design philosophy, featuring broad horizontal styling elements that emphasize the truck's commanding width. A prominent red GMC badge sits centered within thick gloss black trim, creating an unmistakably premium appearance that rivals luxury brands. Vertically stacked LED signature lighting elements have been repositioned lower for a more athletic stance, while the headlights feature distinctive C-shaped light signatures that immediately identify the new generation from significant distances. The grille design incorporates aggressive horizontal bars that create visual width while improving aerodynamic efficiency. Integrated recovery hooks finished in red hint at serious off-road capability straight from the factory. Black trim pieces throughout amplify the sporty, modern attitude that clearly differentiates Sierra from utilitarian competitors. Hood sculpting becomes dramatically more pronounced with muscular creases that give the Sierra an athletic, performance-oriented appearance. Squared-off fender flares accommodate larger wheels and more aggressive tire options, while the overall stance appears notably more upright thanks to a slightly taller shoulder line that improves both visibility and road presence. Unlike the radical departure seen in Sierra EV, the gas-powered Sierra favors evolutionary enhancement over revolutionary change. This approach ensures current Sierra owners will immediately recognize the truck's proven DNA while appreciating the sophisticated updates that bring it firmly into the modern era. Complete cabin redesign. The interior represents the most dramatic advancement in GMC truck history. Following the revolutionary approach pioneered in other GM models, the Sierra will feature a massive 33-inch curved display that spans from the driver's A-pillar completely across the dashboard, the same premium technology currently found in Cadillac's flagship models. This isn't simply a larger screen, it's a complete reimagining of truck interior philosophy. The same advanced technology currently exclusive to Cadillac's CT5, Optic, and Lyrique brings luxury car sophistication to GMC's hardest-working vehicles. The display seamlessly integrates both instrument cluster and infotainment functions into one intuitive interface that responds instantly to driver inputs. Super Cruise compatibility comes standard, bringing hands-free highway driving capability to Sierra owners for the first time in the nameplate's history. The completely redesigned control layout eliminates confusing physical buttons in favor of intuitive touch controls and voice commands that actually function reliably, unlike the frustrating systems found in previous generations. Material quality takes a quantum leap forward with genuine soft-touch surfaces replacing cheap hard plastics throughout the cabin. The seats receive complete redesigns focused specifically on long-distance comfort and proper support, directly addressing one of the current generation's most significant weaknesses. Storage solutions expand dramatically with clever compartments designed specifically for modern truck owners who use their vehicles for both demanding work and family recreation. The Sierra will once again claim the title of nicest interior in the class by combining Cadillac-level technology with GMC's practical truck functionality. Powertrain, as versatile as it can be. GMC finally embraces a balanced electrification strategy that provides customers with genuine choice, instead of forcing them toward full electric. The 2026 Sierra introduces the brand's first plug-in hybrid powertrain, while maintaining the popular diesel option for customers who need maximum towing capability. The plug-in hybrid system represents GMC's smartest powertrain decision yet, combining proven V8 power with electric assistance for incredible torque delivery and substantially improved fuel economy. Unlike Toyota's overly complex hybrid systems that sacrifice driving character, GMC's approach maintains the driving feel truck owners love, while adding silent electric operation for neighborhood driving. Electric-only range will exceed 40 miles, sufficient for most daily commuting without consuming any gasoline. Combined system output will exceed 500 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. Performance numbers that rival dedicated sports cars while maintaining the capability truck owners demand. The proven 3-liter inline-6 Duramax turbo diesel remains in the lineup after recent updates that improved both reliability and efficiency. This engine continues as the preferred choice for serious towing applications with its impressive 495 pound-feet of torque and exceptional fuel economy under heavy loads. GMC's strategy acknowledges that different customers have vastly different needs. The plug-in hybrid appeals to daily commuters who want occasional electric driving, while the diesel satisfies commercial users who require maximum capability day after day. Off-road competence, on-road refinement. The 2026 Sierra directly addresses its most significant weakness, ride quality that consistently lagged behind the class-leading Ram 1500. Engineering spy photos reveal completely revised rear shock mounting points that fundamentally transform the truck's on-road behavior. This represents engineering from the ground up, not simple component tweaking. The updated T1-2 platform delivers substantial improvements to both comfort and capability simultaneously. Revised suspension geometry effectively absorbs road imperfections that would previously crash through the cabin, while maintaining the solid, connected feel that truck owners expect from a full-size pickup. Off-road performance receives equally significant attention with enhanced approach and departure angles, plus improved ground clearance across the entire lineup. Standard models will handle more challenging terrain, while AT4X variants will receive the most dramatic upgrades in the trim's history. AT4X models will feature enhanced skid plate protection, more aggressive approach angles, and specialized off-road programming that automatically adjusts suspension settings based on real-time terrain conditions. The electronic systems will work together to optimize traction and control in situations that would challenge even experienced off-road drivers. Release date and price. The 2026 Sierra will enter production next year with first customer deliveries beginning shortly after. Pricing will increase modestly compared to current models, but the value proposition improves dramatically thanks to substantially more advanced technology and improved manufacturing processes. Base models will start around $42,000. Will these upgrades be enough to improve the current market position? It's hard to say. Check out this video about the new 2026 Toyota Tundra, which you can now see on the screen. Toyota's full-size truck is coming with important updates, especially under the hood, where the Turbo V6 is finally ready to deliver the level of reliability you would normally expect from a Toyota.